Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So a new trading week is starting, and last update was I think on Friday or Saturday. We talked about that the downside move, I mean technically it could be completed. Okay, so we talked about a possible 5-wave pattern here to the upside into the August highs, which could be wave 5 of 1, and then from here a pullback started, which doesn't have a, it looks a bit odd, I have to say, but I think we talked about that in the last video. This wave 4 is quite high, but it was not a 5-wave move, it was a 3-wave move, as I showed you when labeling this. It's a 3-wave move up, A, B, C. So it could be, it could be wave 4 in a diagonal pattern. That's absolutely valid. We could even get an overlap with wave 1 in a diagonal, but I think there is no overlap. So we've dipped back into the orange support region, to which the price already reacted last time. Here, that was on the 3rd of September, but we failed to rally impulsively, and it didn't hold a higher low. So it looks like a 3-wave move down. So that all adds, I mean, we might get another low, right? If but I really would like it to hold in the yellow scenario. I'd like it to hold, well, ideally the last low. So, or, okay, if we need another low, if the price needs one more low, then we're talking about $27.18 as last key support level in this yellow wave 2 correction. So I'm actively now watching for potential signs of a reversal. It could either happen from here or after one more low, but I actually prefer if the low is already in, but you can never rule out one more micro lower low, right? Now it takes, as you know, it's always the same routine. A first 5-wave pattern to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback to basically confirm that this yellow wave 2 is finished and that we're moving higher in a 3rd wave. What would be the alternative though? I mean, for now, I'm just watching, do we see a usable pattern from the lows? Yeah, is there anything noteworthy, anything we can use really? Not yet, obviously, it's futures market just opened, so there isn't much yet. But any break below $27.18 would mean that no, the low wasn't in here. Instead, it might just be an A wave that formed here. This here could have been then a B wave top. Let me actually, because we're in resistance, right? So the rally might just be a B wave, and we could move down in wave C for basically an alternative larger B wave. And then we could, from a little bit lower, try again to rally towards $40. For now, I keep the door open for higher from here, as long as we're holding $27.18. But the $27.18 level, or let's call it $27 level, I mean, it's about, this is not an invalidation point, right? The 78.6 retracement is key support, but what we want to avoid is a sustained break below it. Just a sustained break, not a simple break, a sustained break. If there is a sustained break below that level, it would rather emphasize the idea that we're in a larger wave B still, which could have bottomed already here. But if we need another low, then it will be probably around the mid $20 region. So that would be the alternative, but only if the bulls cannot hold above $27.18, and only if the bulls cannot form a 5-wave move up from here where we are. So we can give the yellow count a little bit more space. This is sort of a decent reversal pattern, but so far the bulls are not yet strong enough, okay? They have another chance now, sort of in the first few days of the new week. And if we zoom out a little bit, 4-hour chart, then you see that I've got it as an ABC structure here, which might have bottomed early in August. Then this could be the 1-2 of the next rally to the upside. Or again, if it breaks down, it has to be ABC or even a WXY, but it counts best as ABC in a larger A wave. This here would be a B wave rally, and then we form another C wave down. But for now, that would be the alternative, and we'll see if the market can generate a decent pattern. But what we now need to see from the lows is a first micro 5-wave move up. If we need another low, that's fine. It's just that a sustained break below 27.18 wouldn't be great in the current pattern. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks. Feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.